All right, what's up, YouTube? What's going on? I know I ain't made a video in a little bit, but I've been in the process of moving and stuff like that. So, and getting the actual garage now, and basically, I'm making this video today is a bike video containing my CBR 2008 CBR1000RR. Um, Basically, I brought this bike probably what in December of 2021. Um, I had wrecked my CBR 600 F4, my 99 one. I wrecked that one. So I saved some money up and I was on OfferUp, and I kept seeing this bike pop up, kept seeing it pop up. I thought it was a scam, I thought it was fake. Hey, it actually turned out pretty legit, pretty real. So I hit the shorty up, the lady up, whatever, however you guys want to say it. I hit her up, and her husband came the day we went and looked at the bike, and her husband came out and started the bike up. I was gonna get another 600, but then he was like, all right, I was like, I already know how to ride a 600 and 1,000. Like, this is not my first 1,000, and it's not my first bike. You know what I'm saying? So I know the ins and out, the ins and out. I know the ins and out and everything. But basically, I decided to get another 1,000 because, hey, man, all my friends ride 1,000s, man, and I'm riding this 600. I'm getting fucking left behind. They gotta wait for me a little bit. And I'm like, bro, I don't want to go that fast, but shit, man, if I want to keep up with the pack, I gotta be able to keep up with the pack. You know what I mean? So I got a CBR 2008 1000RR. Paid literally. This motherfucker is a you know how Forza has their barn finds, man? This bitch is a barn find, dog. Like, literally, the price I paid for it, you wouldn't believe it. But it does have its little things that it needs to be done and fixed up and all that. I paid 800 bucks for the bike. 800 bucks. Title right here, you know what I'm saying? Honda 2008. But yeah, paid 800 bucks for the bike. I mean, shit, I thought it was fucking fake. So I got the little cops to scan it and do little runs and shit, and it came back clear. So yeah, born fine, a fucking super bike right here, man. But I'm making this video is because I've already been in the process of making it back to a regular street bike, because I guess how the guy had it, he wanted it to look like a Street Fighter and all that stuff like that. So that's how the bike looks. You know what I'm saying? That's literally how the bike looks as we sit as today. You know what I'm saying? No fairings or nothing. But I do have the gas tank cover. I do have that. I actually do have that. I just took that off last night. But basically, this video is because of the fact that I'm doing a rebuild on it. And by me doing this rebuild on it, I'm going to be putting a lot of money into it, and, you know what I'm saying, showing this bike off a lot. So, and plan on keeping it for a while, because I do buy, sell, and flip bikes a lot. But, I mean, I finally got this thing. I just been out of that kind of stuff for a little bit, because, I mean, why give up on this when it's a perfectly good bike? It just needs some loving and some TLC into it, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm going to do that. But basically, yesterday I was riding, man, and I mean, on this bike now, I'm catching all the things that was already done before, little patches and already done before, but now they're reopening and stuff like that. So I've actually I lowered it last week, Thursday, went out for a ride the next day. I noticed my tire, I could notice this smell, like this weird burning sensation smell. I didn't know what the frick it was from, but go do my look arounds like you're always supposed to do when you get off the ride for a bike, you know what I'm saying, do look arounds, and I end up finding that my radiator is busted. So basically, the guy had patched a hole, and when he patched the hole on this radiator actually, I went and looked it up. This radiator is from a 2005 RR 1000. So the radiator is way bigger, way bulkier. It looks fucking ugly. Anytime I pull up on anybody and they look at my bike and they're like, damn, dude, you got a big ass fucking radiator. Well, yeah, I mean, I can't help that, bro. That's what keeps this bike going, you know what I'm saying? This big ass radiator. But yeah, man. But honestly, other than that, the radiator is the problem right now. Like, it's leaking, and you know, you can't be really riding on no fucking leaking ass radiator. That's dangerous. Ride smart, not dangerous. for real. Like, that's really dangerous. Really dangerous. Yeah, so it's a hole, and I'm gonna show you guys a hole, but you probably can't see it, but it's like a little pin hole. It's really, really small. I got my military flashlight, so I can help you guys out a little bit. But hopefully I get the right angle so we don't be filly dabbing down there all damn day. But yeah, let me take you guys down there. But it's right around right there. You probably can't see it because the tire's in the fucking way. Sorry. Yeah. I do like that right now. But yeah, and that right there. Well, pointing right at it. Yep, right there. It's pit holes. Pit holes. I tried to patch it up before with some JB Weld, but that didn't work. So I just had to cut my losses, and today feels fucking amazing outside. I really am upset that I can't ride like I want to, but hey, man, this is the life of being a biker, man. Like, really, this is the life of being a biker. You're gonna have the days that, oh my god, it feels so good, but your bike's just yeah. But on the bright side, I actually did order this morning, ordered a new radiator, so that's coming in. I have a whole list of parts that I need to order on this thing. Like, literally, fairings are the number one thing. Fairings are the number one thing, but I can wait for those because, I mean, the bike still rides. I'm the type of guy that, like, I like to show my shit off. I like to take pictures. I like to be in groups, you know what I'm saying? Have your nice bike, you know what I'm saying? I've always had a nice bike. So even when a fucking pedal bike, it was always a nice bike, you know what I'm saying? So I want to do another rebuild, and this probably will be my last rebuild for a while because I'm gonna keep up with this thing, and you know what I'm saying, keep doing videos with it and stuff like that. Yeah, so that's pretty much right now why I'm out of the bike game right now, but I'll be back really, really soon, and videos will start coming a lot more. When I say a lot more, is because I've been, yeah, like I said, I've been moving and stuff like that, been trying to get all this money situation right so I can just chill off, you know what I'm saying, chill off and work on this thing and be able to go to work and pay bills, all that crazy crap, being an adult, you know what I'm saying, being an adult. But, yeah, man, this is 2008 CBR1000RR barn find, for real, like, really, legitimately a fucking barn find for 800 bucks, remember, 800 bucks, barn find. Can't beat that fucking price. Unless you're rebuilding the bike, then it's different. You can do whatever the fuck you want to do. But other than that, you can't beat that. You know what I'm saying? You can't beat that price. I mean, for a 1,000, yeah, you can't beat that price. And some people are going to see like, no, that motherfucker's stolen. That shit's stolen. No, it's not stolen. If it's stolen, how the hell do I have the title right here? And it literally is the title for it. I mean, I got the fucking police to run it, so you can't fucking tell me it's stolen. But hey, man, guys will say what they want. People will say what they want. That's the point of why I'm making this shit. Because hey, you say what you want, but I know the truth. So at the end of the day, I don't know what the hell to tell you. fuck it. Kick rocks. I don't know. Whatever. But, yeah, man. It's a really nice bike. So probably going to be really putting some money back into her. Bringing her back up. Putting everything back right. I did lower it. And when I did lower it, this is the place, I don't know if you can see that. This is the place where I got the lowering link from. And this is the website. Yeah. CBR Specialist. Accessories and parts. But, yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Hopefully you guys can wait for the next YouTube channel or video, whatever, because I will be doing the like repairing and stuff like that. I will be doing that on this, so you guys can see what I'm doing and like know that this guy ain't fucking around. And this ain't my first bike, and it ain't my first rodeo either. I've been there, done that. But all right, man. All right, YouTube, I'm out, man. Catch me later. Like and subscribe, guys.